I'm going for a road trip. See, I'm going for a road trip. I thought alone. She is there. She is gonna be there. So, hi guys, good morning. I'm leaving for Mahabaleshwar, and this would be my second trip to Mahabaleshwar in 2020. I was there in January, and this would be the December. I'm very exciting. I heard it's like too cold. I have 2 people around with me, and I have 2 more people coming in the different car. Bye bye. Having a breakfast now. I've forgotten my other camera in the car. Waiting you to So I'll just show you quickly my food. So I'm going to drive now. I'll put the keys. Side is Urmila. Yes. Those who guys don't know her, she is my both sisters' best friend. I don't know which one is more closer. She is enjoying this gossip. Because I know the background story. We are doing a check-in in the hotel. Finally, welcome to my room. There is a sitting arrangement, there is a bed, there is a table, and there is the view. Time to get ready. I'm wearing this out. So after coming back from after reaching here in Mahabaleshwar to the hotel, we have finally selected the basic. Hairs are done. Look better than earlier, I feel like. Just I guess a few hair pieces are left. So now I'll just put on makeup and come back. I'm finally ready. I didn't wear. I'll show you something when I go outside. Look. And there's my car. And I got my Red Bull. We're just walking towards the market. You got a cake. Man, it looked like a ragi. Oh! I wanted to have this one. Yahan pe milta hai. Finally got my potato twisty thing. Sorry, we changed the location. We're going to sit here. And after I'm trying to take some pictures and she's talking. Just done with the food. Now we are back in the street. Great evening after the dinner in that rest mall party. You can say get together in their hotel, and from that we came back, and then we are up by 7:30.